Where's that piece of hair flicking up? Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl sonyaelledee. I hope that you are all well. As you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to be doing a review, how-to eyeshadow full look using Tammi's new collection with Makeup Revolution. Can't lie, I was super excited for this collection as soon as I caught wind that she had something new coming with Makeup Revolution. I was just like, because I really loved her last palette so much. So I do have everything. I was gifted with a little voucher, so I was able to get everything twice without breaking the bank. So I will be doing some kind of giveaway. Check down in the description box what that may be. Right now I'm not quite sure, but yeah, we will figure it out. So yeah, no further ado, let's get into it. Unfortunately, my palette arrived with a broken mirror. I'm hoping the one in the giveaway isn't the same situation. These shades are just stunning. I cannot wait to get these on my eye. And as you can see from the palette, the way it's laid out, you've literally got looks for days. So if you wanted to do like a really nice purpley look, you could just use that row. Your looks are already kind of planned out. You can just go in as you feel. I'm not gonna swatch the palette. Tammi swatched it on her channel. We are quite similar in complexion, so yeah, just if you want to see swatches, head over to her channel. I just want to get it on my face, so yeah. So I am fancying something a little bit more dramatic today, so I'm going to go in with the Plouise base in Rumor 3, and I'm just going to use that to cut my brow and lay down a base for the shadow. Okay, I'm looking a bit crazy now. I've also put I put number 5 under my eyes, just as it's a little bit closer to my concealer shade, and I think I might start with my lower lash line first today. So yeah, I'm looking a little bit sick at the moment, but yeah, try to ignore that. I'm gonna start with this shade Nightfall. That's gone on really nicely. There is a little bit of fallout with that. Most of us do our foundation afterwards, so that's not a big deal. It's okay. Just gonna pull that up into a almost kind of crease shape, and this is on a M515. I like this to sketch out with minimum commitment. Sketch with minimum commitment. That's what I like this for. I'm gonna try and get those even. Getting somewhere. Gonna diffuse out the edges with a M506 just to make it a bit easier when I put my second shade on. Do a teeny bit of Night Walk. It's this shade here, just to start to blend that out, because I think I want to go into like a orange or a yellow next, but I just need to kind of carry it into the yellow family first so it blends a bit better. Use this very small Cosmic Brushes brush. I'm not sure what the name of it is, but it's just a tiny little blending brush, so it's perfect for getting into those small little spaces and blending. So next up I'm going to go into Dusk. I'd say that's like more mustard yellow. Yes, definitely on the warmer side of yellow, which is my kind of yellow. I love that kind of yellow. I love that kind of yellow to blend out with as well. It just looks so nice. And I'm going to take that with a clean M506, lightly dust that on the edges there, and that's showing up very nicely, dragging it out to my under eye as well. Yeah. And that's mixed with the blues and greens to kind of make a really nice gradient there. So yeah, we're getting a brand new green there in the middle, which I'm absolutely loving. This yellow is going on super duper nice, which I'm not surprised about because I know Tammi loves her yellows and her bright colors, so knew she was going to represent there. But although I was gifted with the voucher for these palettes, this was something that I totally was going to buy anyway. Yeah, Tammi's my girl. I've been watching her channel since way back. And she is absolutely as lovely as she is on her videos in person. I've met some people who have been really disappointing in real life. She's just got good energy, really nice person. Yes, I like her spirit. I am enjoying this look. This is very different for me. I'm just going to go over everything again. Same colours, work on the blends, punch everything back up where it may have been lost in the blends, and yeah, that. I did kind of plan to do like a dual tone colourful eye, but I'm really digging how this yellow is looking just by itself in the middle. It's not something that I would normally do. Normally, like, I take a deeper colour all the way in, but I might leave this just so. Because I like it, yeah. But now, lids. I don't know what to do with the lids. I wish this was live so you guys can tell me what you think, because I don't have a clue. There's so many gorgeous shades in here that are calling my name. Sonya, take me. Yeah, I don't know. Ooh. All right, let's go all in. Might as well. So I'm going to go into Nightfall again, which was like the first bluey shade, and then I'm going to go into Twilight. Yeah, just doing Nightfall first just to give everything something to kind of blend into. Don't really know if that was necessary, to be honest, but hey ho, we've done it. And I'm just going to go straight into Twilight. Ooh. Okay. All right. We're not doing no cut crease today. Oh, that is nice. All these shades, they're just blending in so nicely to each other. Like, so little effort. Yeah, I do feel like this is worth your shmoney. Yeah. Oh, that's gone over a bit more than the other one. This is looking super fun. Yeah. And yeah, the orange was already calling me. I've now heard, and I'm going to reply by putting it on my eyes. So that is Sunrise, this gorgeous orange matte. And sorry if that's confusing, is this one here? This one. So we're just gonna start to blend out Twilight with that, and that's gonna be on an M149. And yeah, if you don't know, like, whenever I'm referring to something as M something, M that's the names for the Morphe brushes. So someone was asking me about my brushes the other day, and yeah, they're all, not all of them, most of them are from Morphe. If it's not, then I would say, but if I'm just saying M something, it's a Morphe brush. That's lovely. Tammi girl. Tammi girl was actually a clothes shop back in the day that I used to shop at. But yeah, Tammi girl. Hey. This is lovely, girl. Well done. So I think it's about time that we dip into the shimmers. I'm going to go into Promise, which is a gorgeous olivey kind of green shimmer. Yeah, it looks like it's got gold flecks in it. Yeah, we'll see. I'm going to try it with a brush first and see how that goes on. This is a M170-8. Okay, so this is one of those squidgy kind of formulas. I haven't really got on very well with those in the past, but let's see how this goes on. Oh, okay. All right, so that's gone on fine. The reason why I said that is that a lot of times I find with the squidgy it's probably got an actual name, but the squidgy kinds of shimmers, I find that they don't normally pick up well on a brush. This actually is. Like, I've had it before in the past where you put it on the brush, sometimes it does show on the brush, but then when you go to put it on your eye, it's not transferring, so you can only apply it with a finger. But you can see that's going on nicely. Okay, yeah, I'm happy with that. And that's a gorgeous shade. It's got a nice variety of shimmers in there. Sometimes, you know, when you get a shimmer and it's just like this little ting 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 ting, it's not really shimmering. This is shimmering. It's got nice, not quite chunky, but more chunky, yeah. Yeah, chunkier kind of glitter particles in that, which is stunning. This look is gorgeous, if I do say so myself. Okay, so I'm just gonna pop some liner and maybe lashes. Should I do my lashes now? Maybe lashes, and I'll be back in a second. Alright, so skin now. I do need to get rid of this fallout. It's not as major as it could be. It's not that bad. I think it was mainly from the blue by the looks of things. Yeah, so I just need to get that off my face. Micellar water and a little cotton pad. So I'm just going to speed through my concealer and foundation and stuff, and then we'll be back to get on with the face palette and lip kit. So I'm just putting a little bit of Sunset on my tear duct, and that is just this orange shimmer here. And this is not a squidgy formula, this is just a regular shimmery shade, and yes, nice. The orange is picking up, very pretty. Great, so face palettes. So Tammi did come out with 2 face palettes. This one is Golden Hour, the deepest of the 2, and this one is Paradise Glow, which I think is probably more suitable for my skin. You get a bronzer, contour shade, blush and highlight, and a mirror. And I believe these are £10. If you follow Tammi, you know that she has been pushing for bronzers for us for a very, very, very long time now. So I'm just so happy that she's been able to bring out 2 face palettes for us melanin rich sisters. Super, super proud of her for doing that. So I'm going to start off with the contour, and normally when I'm doing my face powders, I really like this Revolution Pro 250 brush. It's a bit battered now because I use this a lot. So I'm just gonna dust that, literally pep on that, and go into the hollow areas of my cheek. Maybe a little cool tone for me. Yes, that's definitely like a contour. If you like a cool kind of contour, then yeah, that's good for you. That's a little bit too cool for me. I can go over here anyway, so I'm gonna go into Bronze Goddess. I'm just gonna go over that a little. There we go. So that's warming everything up very nicely. There we go. So that's warmed up everything beautifully without going too red. It's actually a really nice bronzing contouring shade. Let me know down below if you guys do it separately, or if you're like me and try to do everything in one go. Bronzing, contouring, everything in one go. Okay, that's lovely. Very nice. That's what the bronze and contour look like together. I do like them. I'm not a fan of Contour Cutie by itself, but mixed in with Bronze Goddess or layered on top of each other, I do like how they look. I'm just not really much of a, excuse the noise, how's loud outside. I'm not much of a cool contour kind of person, but yeah, together they look nice. They do what they need to do. I'm just gonna go into Tropical Queen, which yeah, I am. And yes, that's another reason to love Tammi. She is a island girl like myself. There's not a lot of us out here. We are a small minority within the Black beauty community. We're here. This brush from the Beauty Crop, and it's just a nice lightweight blush brush. So yeah, or powder brush. I'm just gonna tip her in, give it a tip, and yeah, that is coming off quite a lot on the brush. So yeah, just gonna, oh yes, oh, orange blush is just so gorgeous. Look at that. And there's no shimmer in that as well. That's a completely matte blush. I'd say that is very pigmented, so be careful. Yeah, I can see that this would be easy to go overboard with, so yeah, use sparingly and on a light brush, not a dense brush, or else you might end up with an orange strip across your face. I've been there. Oh, I love that. And it layers up nicely as well. So yeah, just literally tap and brush the blush. Hey, one Tammi. Into a Paradise Glow next, and yep, I have scratched it with my nail by accident. Didn't come like that. I don't even know if you can even see that, but yeah, there's a scratch on it. I'm just gonna go in with this brush. I don't know what it is called. It's just a brush like this. I don't know where I got it from, to be honest. It's one of those brushes that just ended up in my brush jar, and I'm like, where did that come from? I don't remember buying it. And that's lovely. I think I do remember her saying that she didn't want like a blinding highlight, because she doesn't normally do like the whole super duper blinding highlight. So that's like more of a subtle kind of glow, which is very pretty and is sitting on the skin very nicely. It's definitely more of a natural highlight, and it's not chalky as well. Brow bone action, come on. Hey. Down the nose. Ooh, yes. Okay, so sometimes when I do my nose highlight, it can look a bit woo, like blinding, but that's a very, very nice highlight for the nose. Yes. I like that a lot. And I will be using the other face palette in probably the next video. I've got a lot of videos I need to film, I know. So I'm gonna fix this with the Glass Glow Fix. This is not the shimmery one. I did do a review on the Glass collection from Makeup Revolution a few videos back, and I said I was gonna try this and I haven't yet. It's just been sitting there in my drawer saying, hey, use me. And it smells really perfumey, quite strong, and my lips are tingling a little bit to be honest. So that's dried down nicely, nice enough. I wouldn't say that's anything special. It's still actually drying in other areas. It doesn't look super duper dewy as well. It's a nice level of dewiness. It's okay. Right, so lips. Tammi also came out with a lip kit, which looks lovely. Something I've forgotten to say actually, the packaging on everything. I love this whole sunset with the gold foil, and it's all so pretty. These are not new releases. These are Tammi's favorite lip items from Revolution. Here is Glory lip liner, which I have recently bought, and that was on Tammi's recommendation. And we also have two of the sheer lip glosses, Gone Rogue, and the other one is Muse. So yeah, there they are. I think I'm probably gonna go with Muse. I am just going to go in with my old Glory lip liner because it's the same thing, it's already open, there's no point opening two. So it's a nice brown lip liner. Muse looks like I'm gonna love it. Let's see how that goes on. Yeah. Ooh. That actually has a lot more coverage than I thought it was going to. Where it says it's sheer, I thought it was going to be like a little more translucent. But yeah, that's really lovely. That's gorgeous. Yes, thank you Tammi for putting those together, because yeah, that looks really nice. It's not sticky at all, super shiny, tastes nice, and looks lush on the lips. So this is the finished look. I hope that you guys like it. I love it. I haven't really done colourful eyes like this in a while. I'm really liking that it's not the whole cut crease as well. It definitely gives a bit more of a softer, kind of soft glam, but colourful. Yeah. So collection, Tammi, yes girl, well done, high five to you. I wouldn't expect anything less than this from Tammi. Tammi knows her colours. I love the colourful looks that she creates, and I feel like she's just put everything that she loves into this collection here. I really do like how this is looking on my face. Go girl. Obviously times are very hard at the moment with everything that's been going on with Miss Rona. I know a lot of people are out of work. When it comes down to things, probably makeup isn't your priority with spending. I do have one set of the whole collection, and yeah, I would like to gift it to one of you lovely guys. So please do check out the description box for the rules for the giveaway. That will be open worldwide as well, international. It's going to be an international giveaway for everybody. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 1K, like another 200 and something to go. Be sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. I will see you again very soon. Yeah, it's been good. Take care. Bye.